In this lecture, we're gonna look at a tool, Planar Surface. We can use this tool to fill or patch a surface. So we can have a sketch like this, and inside of that sketch we can create a surface. As well, here on the part modeling, we have here hole, and we can create a surface here on the other side, as well on the surfaces. Now let's show how this works. So let's go to Surfaces tab, and let's choose here Planar Surface, like this. So let's first go to our sketches. Those all sketches are created on the same plane, on the top plane. And first we have this sketch. The main important thing is that you must have a closed sketch. It doesn't work if your sketch is open. So here we have to choose bounding entities, and let's choose this sketch like this. And this works as we see the preview. Let's click OK. So now we have this surface here. Let's try to undo this sketch. Let's go to Planar Surface, and let's choose this sketch. And now we see that it doesn't work. But if you look at this sketch is on the same plane as this one, and it's closed, but it doesn't work. And this is because this sketch is 3D sketch. So if we go back, let's click on this sketch. This is 3D sketch. Planar Surface doesn't work with 3D sketches. So remember that. And here we have a third sketch that is 2D sketch. If we click here, we see this is 2D sketch and it's closed. So let's try this one. Let's go to Planar Surface. Let's choose this, and it doesn't work. And it doesn't work because those two lines are not connected. They don't have relation. So if we go back, and if we go to this sketch, edit sketch, and now let's go to trim to entities, and let's trim this in this line. Let's click OK, let's exit. Now let's go again back to Planar Surface, and let's choose this sketch. Now it works. So for the sketches, it must be 2D sketch and it must be closed sketch. Now let's look how Planar Surface work on parts. So we have a hole here, this one, and we want to fill this hole. Let's go to Planar Surface, and let's choose this sketch. And that works. We can also choose multiple edges. So we have this edge, and we can choose this edge. And click OK. And inside, we have a hole. If we go to Section View, we see inside is hole. It's not a field. We have only surface here and here. Let's exit. And let's see how that works on the surface. So let's go to Planar Surface, and for instance we want to create a surface on the top. Let's choose this edge. Let's choose this edge, and now we got something like this. As we see, this is not closed contour. So when you have on surface, you don't have to always have a closed contour. For sketches you must, but not when you have a surface. And now let's add this edge as well. And now it doesn't work. But if we click on this edge, now we got a surface. And now here's one trick. If we click on this edge here, now we have a surface around this hole. Let's click OK. And now this is our result. Let's look at this surface. Let's go to Planar Surface. Let's choose this edge and this edge. And now we got this result. And this works. This is not closed contour. But now if we choose this edge, again, it just doesn't work. But if we choose this one and we close our contour, now it works like this. Let's click OK. And now in the last example, let's show on this 3D surface. Let's click Planar Surface. Now let's choose this edge and this edge. And now we can see the preview. We have created this surface. Let's click OK. So this is a straightforward tool to fill some patch or hole. Remember, for the sketches, it must be 2D sketch and you must have closed contour. But for the surfaces and parts, you don't always need a closed contour. Sometimes work when you have open contour, as we have seen here and here, and as we see here.